In a world full of trendy diets and quick-fix supplements, chia seeds have quietly secured their place as one of nature's most powerful superfoods. Tiny in size but enormous in benefits, these small seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, a species native to Central America. Revered by ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans for their strength-enhancing properties, chia seeds are now celebrated worldwide for their exceptional nutritional profile and health-boosting abilities. Chia seeds are not just a health trend, they are a timeless nutritional powerhouse with countless benefits. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your health, or simply add more nutrients to your diet, chia seeds offer a simple yet effective solution. With every spoonful, you're feeding your body the fuel it needs to thrive. So let's know what's make it so powerful and effective. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains about 10 grams of fiber. Fiber slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you full longer. This helps reduce cravings and unnecessary snacking throughout the day. Chia seeds are a plant-based source of protein. Protein plays a key role in building lean muscle and boosting metabolism. It also suppresses appetite by lowering the hunger hormone, ghrelin. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains about 4.7 grams of protein. Chia seeds are one of the best non-fish sources of omega-3. These healthy fats improve insulin sensitivity and reduce belly fat. They also support heart and brain health during your weight loss journey. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains about 105.9 grams of omega-3 fatty acid. Despite being nutrient-rich, chia seeds are low in calories. You can add them to meals without worrying about excess calorie intake. This makes them perfect for calorie-controlled diets. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains about 11.9 grams of carbohydrates. One of the most fascinating qualities of chia seeds is their ability to absorb water, up to 12 times their weight. Chia seeds expand in your stomach when soaked in water. This expansion creates a feeling of fullness, reducing hunger naturally. They are low in calories but rich in essential nutrients, which helps in reducing calorie intake without compromising nutrition. When it's soaked in water, they form a gel-like consistency that helps promote satiety and prolongs hydration. This makes them incredibly effective for appetite control and digestive health. That's why many people use chia seeds as a natural appetite suppressant, consuming chia water before meals to reduce calorie intake and avoid unnecessary snacking. This property alone makes chia seeds a go-to superfood for those on a weight loss journey. They are simple, natural, and incredibly effective. With fiber, protein, and omega-3, they check every box for healthy weight management. Beyond their role in weight management, chia seeds support heart health, reduce inflammation, and stabilize blood sugar levels. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds are particularly important for cardiovascular health. They help lower bad cholesterol, regulate blood pressure, and protect the heart from disease. At the same time, the high fiber content aids in digestion, cleanses the gut, and help to regulate bowel movements. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Chia seeds' plant-based protein content makes them a favorite among vegetarians and vegans, offering a healthy alternative to animal-based protein sources. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts also use chia seeds for sustained energy, quicker recovery, and improved endurance. Chia seeds keep our intestines healthy, which increases the production of serotonin hormone in our body. This is the happy hormone that keeps us happy. Another great advantage of chia seeds is their versatility. They can be easily added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, salads, and baked goods. Whether consumed raw, soaked, or ground, chia seeds maintain their nutritional value and enhance the flavor and texture of our meals. They are tasteless on their own, which allows them to blend seamlessly with both sweet and savory dishes. We can take 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 grams, chia seeds daily. Soak 1 to 2 teaspoons of chia seeds in water every night and next day divide it in 3 parts, and take it 3 times in a day, in the morning, afternoon, and night, or include it in your diet to maximum benefits. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. If you are taking chia seeds, drink plenty of water. Chia seeds absorb water rapidly and can cause dehydration if not taken with enough water. Second, gradually increase intake if you're new to high-fiber foods. Overconsumption may cause bloating or digestive discomfort. Third, store chia seeds in a cool, dry place for maximum freshness. These black and white seeds are rich in fiber, plant-based protein, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Just a single tablespoon of chia seeds can provide a powerful dose of nutrition without adding excessive calories to your diet. This makes them an ideal addition to any meal, especially for those aiming to improve their health, boost energy, and manage weight naturally. So add them to your meals today and start seeing the difference.